So from my perspective, we always start the project from the material up, and really there's few more beautiful materials than timber.
There's no doubt American hardwoods are the most environmentally responsibly sourced timbers in the world. Their forests are really well managed over there, and the reason that they are able to do that is because the timber's actually growing faster than they're actually felling it.
American red oaks are lesser known species in Australia and definitely underutilised. Most architects and specifiers these days specify American white oak. American red oak's actually not very red at all. In fact, sometimes we get pieces of red oak mixed up with white oak and it's very hard to tell the difference. Machinability is great. We can do all sorts of processes on it and it's fantastic to work with.
It's rare that we get the chance to pause and reflect upon how responsible are we being with our furniture design. So the opportunity to document and record the life cycle analysis of the timber from its very source, from American hardwoods all the way through to the finished piece, was something that we've never had the opportunity to do before, and the idea was to offer shared learning on our design journey through this project.